In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open Outlook Mail in Gmail. To begin, go to Gmail on your computer. This setup works best on a desktop browser because the full settings menu is easier to access. Once you are in your Gmail inbox, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel. From there, select See All Settings so you can access the complete set of Gmail options. Now that you are on the settings page, find and open the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section is where Gmail lets you connect other email addresses, control sending options, and manage how messages are brought into your inbox. In the Accounts and Import tab, scroll until you see the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is the feature that allows Gmail to pull messages from an external mailbox so you can read them without switching services. Click Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear asking for the email address you want to connect. Type in your Outlook email address, then click Next. At this point, Gmail will usually offer you a choice for how to connect. If you see an option called Link Accounts with Gmailify, choose it for the easiest experience. Gmailify typically provides a smoother sync and can keep your mail better organized within Gmail. If Gmailify is not available, or if you prefer a basic import method, choose Import Emails from My Other Account POP3 instead. After selecting your connection method, click Next. Gmail will guide you through the sign-in process for your Outlook or Microsoft account. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure you are signing into the correct account if you have more than one. You may be asked to confirm your identity depending on your account security settings. When you reach the permissions screen, click Yes or Allow. This step is important because it authorizes Google to access your Outlook mailbox so it can bring messages into Gmail. Without granting permission, the connection cannot be completed. Once you approve access, Gmail will finalize the setup and begin linking or importing your Outlook mail. Depending on the size of your mailbox, it may take some time for older messages to appear, so give it a little while and keep Gmail open if possible. And that is all there is to it.